on site right now. Welcome back to my channel. I have been trying to vlog for you guys, and I woke up this morning and I just deleted everything because it was like I was trying to edit it. It was like so many like different pieces. It didn't make sense. It was all over the place. I was like, you know what? It's whatever. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. So yeah, welcome back to another vlog. I'm here at the house right now because I have like a whole bunch of keys right here. Let me just show you guys. So these are all the keys to the house. Yeah, so I'm just gonna sort them out right now. I'm gonna sort them out, and then I'm also going to I wanted to clean up, but I'm too tired, and it's okay. Like, the place is such a mess. Like, I don't have to be extra like that. But yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow, so I definitely want to have this sorted out so that it's just easier for like the next person. Because I kind of like started familiarizing myself with the keys, but there's so many. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. House so long. This is the house and all its glory I think let me start right at the end. Yeah, I'll leave those keys in there. Let's go right to the end, to the main. So we are going home today. Yeah, I'm excited to be going home. I just wish I was going home on a sunnier day. I don't know. Anyway, going home. I've been here for over 2 weeks. This is legit this month since I last lived here when I was like 6 years old. It's the longest I've been in KZN for in over 20 years. So yeah, you can imagine. You can imagine. Anyway, yeah. Plans for the day, go home, and then literally when I land, I'm gonna go to my place. I won't tidy up, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm meeting up with my sisters later on, so I'm just gonna chill a little bit and then get ready to meet up with them. I haven't seen them in so long as well. Like, I'm just a stranger. Like, at this point, I'm just a stranger to people. Thoughts about leaving the project at the stage that it's at. I'm a bit disappointed. You know, we had really hoped and planned for everything to be done, like legit everything. I think our biggest hold up was the electrical, was the closet, besides the kitchen, and then it was the pool as well. The pool, obviously, it's an outside thing that doesn't stop us from moving into the house. Electrical, we still don't have electricity on the site. Council hasn't approved. And the lights just took very long to come in. Like, I placed an order a while ago, and then they came in batches, so not all the lights are up. With the closets, it's just story for another day. And then we still have to do like paint touch-ups because after we're done painting, people were still going up and down. So there's a few chips, few touch-ups. We have to finish the wall paneling. They only texted me yesterday, and not even was like late in the evening. She calls me via WhatsApp, and I was just like, whatever. I'm not even gonna answer because I don't have the energy for that. But yeah, we had wall paneling that was supposed to come a week and a half ago, and it only comes now. Like, who's working around this time? Legit, like, who's working around this time? Also, I need to get a tripod, like a mini one, because carrying my big one is just it's so tiresome. And we're gonna be traveling for the after Christmas into New Year. We're going away. I'm so excited. So yeah, I definitely need a tiny tripod. I need to make sure all my content is out so that I can like completely clear my phone and make way for new content. But yeah, anyway, back to the house. I'm a bit disappointed in how we're leaving it. But yeah, such things happen. You know, you can never control everything. You can have everything planned down to the T. At the end, it's up to the contractors, it's up to the supplier, and you know, what else can you do after that? But yeah, let's go home, let's go home, let's go home.
Chasing butterflies in Pasadena, toss seashells to the blue. I can drive gelato. I know you're ready, I'm cute. If Starlink was built by midnight, there'd be no strife. Take it slow, right? I got no sign of the future. If the stars right, then there's you
here. See the trees in my villa, yeah. They that pink little killer, no cam. Tossing stones like villas, yeah. If you blink it all, come back in flashes. See the trees in my villa, yeah. They that pink little killer, no cam. Tossing stones like pillar. So what's your point of view?
I'm here for my nail appointment. My appointment was for originally 5 o'clock. And then I sent her a message earlier on. I'm like, hi, are we still on for 5? She's like, no, come at 5:30. It's 22. I decided specifically to come a little bit late. And yeah, I'm told to wait in the car. She asked for like 5 minutes, which I feel like AKA could be 10. But anyway, it's okay. I need to get my nails done. Gosh, I can't believe I'm this person now. Like, I never used to get my nails done. Like, I've done my nails how many times? My sister's wedding, and then twice after, and then my friend's wedding. This will be my 5th time getting my nails done this year. More times than I've ever done in like the whole 29 years that I've been alive. So that's saying a lot. I just don't like being touched, and I don't like when they push your cuticles. But I'm also gonna get my toes done. So I'm such a girl. Right now I am on my way to get my lashes done. I am running a bit late. I wanted to leave the house like maybe 10 minutes ago, but I think I'll get there like legit on time, or maybe like 5 minutes late. I don't even know where the place is, so I didn't even like leave myself any room to get lost. But hopefully it's easy to find. I'm so nervous to get my lashes done. I'm also waxing today. Oh gosh, so many firsts. Okay, let me get in the car properly. My lashes are done, but I think I left the salon too quickly. But I got places I need to be. How am I gonna drive? So yeah, they're done. Like, the more I look at them, I do like them, but like when I first looked at myself, I was like, whoa, who's this girl? I don't recognize her. It felt very weird. Like very weird. But yeah, guys, first time for everything. No, I don't know what I'm saying. Let me try compose myself and then drive to Edenville. I wanted to stop by my place to get some gym stuff, and then so I can go to gym after my appointment. Appointment is at 3:15. But yeah, anyway, let me go. Let me actually go.
Yeah. Nobody touched me in a rush. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your
Hey guys, almost greeted the mirror. Ah! One thing about these lashes that no one warns you about is the admin that it comes with when you having to wash your face. Like, you can't really get water in your eyes because then they irritate you. And I get irritable very, very quickly. Like, I'm still trying to get used to them. I won't lie. I'm not there. Like, I'm not there. Dare I say I hate them. My boyfriend also doesn't like them. So, what now? What now? They're just so dramatic. And I like subtle things. So, because it was my first time going there, when I looked at the package, thanks. When I looked at the package, right, the size that they showed me, it looked appropriate because my sister told me, okay, don't go higher than number 13, do classic. But then she also told me, ask your cousin, ask Samantha what she does because hers always look nice and natural. And I've seen how they look on my cousin and I've liked them before. So I call her up and then she tells me, no, she does hybrid, she does size, I think she said 9 or 8 and then up to 14. So I was like, okay, cool, let me do that. I should have just gone with my first instinct was to do classic. I should have listened to my sister when she said number 13. I actually should have done number 12 because number 13 is somewhere here in the middle and I still feel like they're a bit long. So I'm considering cutting them down, but I don't know if that's gonna make it look awkward. Anyway, I'm at my boyfriend's place now. I'm only here because I just wanted to show you guys my hair instead of just leaving y'all in the dust. But yeah, this is how the hair looks like. I really like it. Like, I love the color. At first when she showed me the color, I was like, oh my gosh, it's too white. Because I just kind of, oh, these are gonna tangle. That's annoying. Anyway, because I just kind of like, I saw a picture on Pinterest, I saw a video on Pinterest, and then I screenshot the colors. So I wasn't even sure if I was buying the right colors, you know. I was just going around kissing. No, these are gonna tangle. These are gonna tangle. I need to cut them, they're too long. Oh, Sam, I was about to show you like the full length of them, but I remembered I'm not wearing pants. Anyway, yeah, I literally came on here to show you my hair and to give an outro because I don't like the way the videos have been ending lately. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video vlog. Give it a huge thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you all on the next one.